hello, good day everyone. I am Leon Jinsiyat from grade 9, running for Supreme Student Learners Government SSLG as your president. I may not be the one you expected to run as president, but I'm willing to do my best and show you the best that I can do. I humbly ask for your support in the upcoming election. Please vote Flourish Movement Party List Alpijans. Thank you.
Good day everyone! I am Princess of Jane D. Katubig from grade 8, running for Supreme Student Learners Government or SSLG as your Vice President. Please vote wisely, LPGans!
Good day everyone, my name is Isia Sandra de Vela from grade 9, running for Supreme Student Learners Government or SSLG as your Secretary. Please vote wisely, LPDians.
Good day everyone, I am Grace Mar Francis Malon from grade 9, running for Supreme Student Learners Government or SSLG as your Treasurer. If Princess Success is the key, one way to seek, it is with you and me. Para ay sigurado kay Malon, tapat na serbisyo para sa inyo. Kaya Flourish Movement Party List na! Please vote wisely, LPGans.
Good day everyone, my name is Leia Faith Diaz from grade 8, running for Supreme Student Learners Government or SSLG as your auditor. Please vote wisely, LPGans. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. I am Francine Kerben Rulan Singit from grade 7, running for Supreme Student Learners Government or SSLG as your PIO. Please vote wisely, LPGans.
Good day, everyone. I am Bartolome Jr. D. Bayuna from grade 7, running for Supreme Student Learners Government as your protocol officer. Please vote wisely and thank you.
Good day, everyone. I am Jalen Rochelle Sinabrosa from grade 7, running for Supreme Student Learners Government SSLG as your chairperson. Please vote wisely, LPGans. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am Florence Awayan from grade 8, running for Supreme Student Learners Government or SSLG as your grade 9 chairperson. Please vote wisely, LPGans. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am Lesmichin Eramis de Lovera from grade 9, running for Supreme Student Learners Government or SSLG as your grade 10 chairperson. Please vote wisely, LPGans.
Good morning everyone, my name is Jennifer A. Katahong Jr., grade 7, running for Supreme Student Learner Government or SSLG as your grade 8 representative. Please vote wisely.
Good day, everyone. My name is Shanikel Alpardo from grade 8, running for Supreme Student Learners Government SSLG as your grade 9 representative. Please vote wisely, LPGans.
Good day everyone, I am Sante El Guerrero from grade 9 student, running for Supreme Student Government as your grade 10 representative. Please vote wisely.